tears, pain. You never left my side, you remained the same. And I'm so glad that you love me.
Hey everybody, what's up? It's Tayshawn Miller, and let's just go ahead and dive into this video / mini tutorial of my passion twist wig. First and foremost, I do want to give credit. I have heard many people saying that a chick by the name of the Boho Babe is the one that came out with the passion twist. I do know that I was on Pinterest. I live on Pinterest, and that's how I saw the style. So from there, then I went on to YouTube and saw several videos. Do want to watch hers. Since she is the creator, I would like to see her video just to see, you know, exactly what it is she did. Now, how I came about the passion twist wig, you all already know. If y'all my ride or die gems and y'all been here for the longest, y'all know that your girl never keep the same hairstyle twice in a row. I'm like, I change. Like, I change. And it's several reasons why I changed. One of the main reasons being a sister is tender-headed, truth be told. You cannot put your hands on my head if you braid tight. I myself braid tight. So sometimes I be wanting to just smack myself while I'm doing my own hair. So what I did was I said, you know what? Let me just make me a wig and see how it turns out. And if it looks good, then I'll go ahead and rock it. And I think it came out pretty good. I mean, to me, I love it. It's pretty, it's different. So let's talk about the hair I use. And I don't know exactly how I'm going to do this video because truth be told, I was never even going to put a video up because I feel like everybody in the mammy got a passion twist video out. So I was not going to even put this out there. But then I was like, after receiving inboxes on my, Instagram and on my Facebook, people was like, are you doing a video for that? Please do a video. It looks so natural. Please. I was like, okay, well, you know, I did film certain pieces. I didn't film the whole thing. One of the main reasons is because I'm going to be selling them, so I'm not giving all my tricks and trades out, but I did decide to periodically film little pieces, and I will be nice enough to share that with you all and share with you guys how I did it. As far as the hair that I used the freetress equal, which I don't know how I'm going to do the video like I was just saying, but I don't know if I'm going to put it on the side of the video or if I'm going to like just talk first and then do the video. I have no idea. But anyhow, I did use the freetress equal water wave in the colors number 4, in the colors 27, and in the color 30, and then also in the color 613/27, I think it is 613/27. Yeah, I think that's what it is. What else? It took me about 5 hours. How long did it take me to do this? I was doing this wig between clients and making other wigs for people. So I can't tell you the exact time frame, but I do know that it was like about maybe 6 hours because they're pretty much big. And I wanted them to be big because I did not want them small, because I didn't want the wig to be super duper heavy and I didn't want a lot of hair on my head. Plus, I didn't want to go back and buy any more hair. So if I told y'all a lie, it wasn't a lie on purpose. It was a lie by mistake about how many packs of hair I took. But no, I'm gonna tell y'all the truth right now because I think I brought 2 packs of number 4. I brought 2 packs of number 30. I brought 2 packs of number F27. I think that's what it said, F27. So that's already 6 packs. And then I brought 1 pack of the 613/27. Now, I still have like almost the whole pack of 613/27 left. So that takes us down to 6 packs. I still have half a pack of the 30. So about 5.5 packs is what I have in my head. Yeah, 5 in a piece because I think I got some 4 left as well. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you guys the length of it really quick. It's right here. And I really love the ends, how textured they are. Like some of them are just really, really quilly. And with me standing up, they're about a little bit longer than my boobs. But when I pull them, let's see, they're different lengths and things like that. But when I pull them, they're like really long, like they're now to my hips. So, it's just different one. Like these two are like my absolute. This one here is like a little past my hip, this one here. But I love the boinginess, and I love this curl that's at the end of it. And I love the color blend. It's really, 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 really pretty. What else did I want to tell y'all? I don't know. I think that's about it, because I'm just going to go ahead now and show you guys the video, or put it on the side. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys the video, because if I'm not mistaken, I think I was talking in the video. So yeah, that's about all. So, I mean, I think it's a really great alternative to actually getting the actual passion twist, because literally, I promise you, like, I literally in the daytime had this wig on. Y'all know this wig. If you haven't, I'll link the video for you to watch this wig. Excuse me. I had this wig on, and then by nightfall, I had went out to dinner, and I had to put this one on, and I was looking like a whole nother person. And I love the versatility of wearing wigs. Like, sis, I'm in love with wearing wigs. So that's about all for my video. If you are interested in inquiring about getting a unit made, all you have to do is check me out on Instagram at Lazy Girl Creations. And the reason why I call it Lazy Girl Creations is because for those of you that are too lazy to go get your hair done, you don't want to get your hair done, why don't you get a wig made? And you can slay all day and don't even have to look like you have a wig on your head. Okay, so I am going to be making some random braid units, like box braids, bob plaits, Fulani braids. I'm going to be doing a lot of that type of stuff, so please make sure you follow me. What else I wanted to tell y'all? I don't know. I guess that's just it. Yeah, that's just it. So let me know if y'all like my new unit, and I will see you beautiful people in my next video once you go ahead and watch the tutorial. All right, bye. Now, I can't slow this part down because this is how I twist. Like, I'm not speeding up anything right now. This is me just twisting. Just want you all to know that so that you don't think that I sped it up. And I'm just twisting and pulling up. Twisting, pulling up, twisting, pulling up. Sometimes I twist, pull up, twist, pull up. It's depends on how the piece feel. Now this piece that I'm doing here is really thick. This is gel. Yes, I'm grabbing a lot of it. That's my preference. That's how much I want to use. Now I do want to say, first of all, I want to thank the Boho Babe, who I heard is the creator of the Passion Twist. They definitely remind me though of the Marley twist, just done with this crochet hair, which I love. This look is a very gypsy boho-ish type look to it. So I definitely am feeling that. I love messy hair, period. So this is definitely a style for me. Now, this is my very first time doing these, period. I have not practiced them or anything. And what I want to say is the messier, the better. Like, don't try to look at somebody's video and do it exactly how they do it. And the reason why I say that is because you have to do your passion twist to your liking. Like I was just saying about the pull-up part. If you want yours to be really, really crinkly, then I would suggest twist, pull up, twist, pull up, twist, pull up, twist, pull up, twist, pull up. But if you don't want that look and you want it more straight and then just, you know, curly or crinkly to the ends, then I would just pull up when I get more so down to, you know, the bottom. I wouldn't really do it. See, for instance, like with this one is more of a straight one. It didn't get it, but I like it because next to these other ones, you see what I'm saying? Like, it's going to be like a mixture. It's going to be some straight, some curly. So that's just going to add definition to the actual twist. So I'm going to go ahead and do one more for you guys and show you guys one more time. And I thought twisting them in looked a whole lot better versus me braiding them in, just because I wanted to get that, you know, that realistic look. So this one I'm going to mix with a number 4. Just going to mix some number 4 with a piece of 30 here. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and twist again. I want to say this hair does knot up when you're pulling it. That's why I kind of choose to do it as I go versus pull all the pieces together like I see some people do. But again, to each its own. Whatever floats your boat, that's what you do. You know, you can't follow somebody else's rules and think that you're going to learn from it. You know, you have to have your own thing going on, okay? So again, here we go. I'm twisting it in. And the reason why I'm not showing the whole thing is because there's like 1,000 passion twist tutorials online. So I feel like it's no need for me to do it. I feel like I do it just like everybody else does. So because I do it like everybody else does, I feel like, yeah, I don't really have to, you know, show you guys. It's like kind of repetitive. You know what I mean? So and just periodically detangle it. That way when it gets all the way to the bottom, you're not left with a big knot that you end up having to cut out. And right about here is where I like to get my gel and put it on. Since this hair is pretty long, this is the hair that I'm twisting. You see it's pretty long. So that's why I like to add the gel there. Otherwise, if it would have ended a little higher, then I probably would have, you know, put the gel a little bit higher, but it doesn't. It ends down pretty low, so I'd rather have it that I do. Okay, so I'm at the end here where I'm doing my pull-up, twist, pull-up, twist. Sometimes I might do twist, twist, pull-up. Sometimes I might do twist, 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 pull-up. So it's just different ways according to how. And then I always want to put another little piece of gel at the end just to kind of force a curl if it's going to get one. Now, see how that other piece was straight? Look at how this one is starting to curl up. So that's what I'm saying. It just gives it definition. So, yeah, just wanted to show y'all that. And that's it. I'm a braid till something happens.